Hey everyone, check out the CIMELR LCD Digital Microscope with a 4.3-inch screen and 50X-1000X Magnification. This microscope features a 2-megapixel camera and 1080p HD imaging for crystal clear viewing of coins, plants, insects, and more. The large IPS LCD display helps reduce eye and neck strain compared to traditional eyepieces. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can easily control brightness for clear details in any environment. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for students, hobbyists, and science lovers of all ages. Plus, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS for simple plug-and-play use. Whether inspecting circuit boards or exploring nature, this microscope offers a fun and educational experience. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.